and distinguished audience from across the country. A very warm welcome to all of you to the third Jindal Surana Moot Point series, an experiment between the Jindal Global Law School and Surana International Attorneys to develop and showcase skills of e-advocacy and conflict management. As you may all be aware, Surana has been organizing many moot courts over the last 25 years. We have crossed more than 300 moot court competitions, and we are proud to have contributed to the development of advocacy skills among several generations of law students. The Jindal Global Law School is a rising star in the legal education universe. Within 10 years of its inception, it has been ranked as the #1 law school by the QS Global Rankings and has already broken into the top 250 law schools of the world. Our third partner is Loctopus, the voice of the Indian law student. As we all know, we are living in the times of the corona pandemic. Classes and moot courts have been suspended and will remain so for a long time. Courts all over the country are struggling to move on to e-submissions and e-filings. There is an increasing demand for advocates who can present complex cases in a simple language over the internet. While I believe that the days of personal hearings are not over, I also believe that the days of impersonal hearings over the internet are here to stay.